Welcome to your dream home in the beautiful Calhoun Acres. This is located on 1 acre, corner lot, and the address is 412 Collum View. Come take a look. As you walk into this new build, you will notice the amazing quality Silverleaf homes provide. Lots of natural light, tall ceilings, wooden beam, and stone-to-ceiling fireplace. In the kitchen is a beautiful island with storage and lots of cabinet and countertop space. To the right is a built-in, perfect for a desk. Off of the kitchen is the main suite. Laundry room that connects to the main closet and mud bench coming in from the 3-car garage. When you walk upstairs, you will find the bonus room with a bath. And the best part is there is no HOA, no city taxes, and the builder is helping pay for your closing costs. Contact me today, Calhoun with HomeSmart, 817-908-2905.